requires several upgrades with the tooling from my previous version on the Clausing CNC lathe. I have a 1/4 inch drill and a 3/8 inch drill, so I pre-drill the holes. Prior to this I was using a 1/2 inch drill, and it just was too much of a load on the lathe when I was cutting titanium. Also, I replaced the end tooling, cut off bit in the OD turning tool holders. This is a little more elegant. Right now I'm cutting copper. I have a request for a copper ring. So eventually I'm going to move over to titanium. Cutting around 325 RPM. That's a good speed for titanium. Cutting the inside bore in 8 passes. Again, this is a bit conservative. This is designed for cutting titanium. Copper certainly cuts a lot easier. This ring is size 12. It's 12 millimeters long, 1.9 millimeters thick. Has a comfort bit on the inside, and it has a half round band shape. This is a free machining variety of copper. I can't even pronounce the name. Trillium or something. It really cuts pretty well. Quarter-inch drill is a tungsten carbide, or rather cobalt high-speed steel. The 3/8 drill is a carbide. Try to zoom in a little bit more. Buckchuck is really nice. The collet system I was using before just didn't grip the bar stock very well. So under heavy load it would actually lose position. It would slide into the collet. And copper isn't an ideal ring for jewelry, but there's an old saying, the customer's always right. This customer wanted a copper band, so that's working on it. Eventually we're going to engrave on the inside and outside certain designs. But the first priority is to verify the ring size and then verify what thickness was going to work. Justin asked for an 8 millimeter band. I'm going to suggest we try a 10 or 12 millimeter band. Gives us a larger canvas to display graphics on. running this video at actual speed, and the main reason for that is just to get a look and feel for the actual cutting process. And I could cut out a lot of the boring because it's rather redundant, but I just want to get a feel for the real process. And again, this is sort of a trial cutting on a tool pass. Eventually I may someday try speeding them up a little bit. Right now the volume is so low that I'm not too concerned about speed issues. If I hit the jackpot and things really go well, I'll probably translate this whole process onto an Omniturn lathe we have over there in the shop. It's a lot more robust and faster CNC lathe. For right now, this is a good way to explore the tool pass and the tooling. Just find out what actually works and get some decent feed rates and depths of cuts. If you go to the Omniturn, you want to stick a bar in and turn it loose and let it cut all day until the bar's gone. We're talking about mass production, but I'm not there. I'm not even sure I'll ever get there, or I want to get there. Who knows? This is a 1-inch diameter piece of bar stock and size 12. With 1.9mm wall. It's just about as large a ring you can get. You need to go with a bigger piece of bar stock if you want to go with larger ring size. It'd be a bit of a challenge because all my tooling's set up for a 1-inch spacing. If I had bigger bar stock, I'm going to have to revise the tooling again, which I really don't want to do. I'm doing the half round in 2 passes because I found out trying to do it in 1 pass was just messing up my tooling. It's just putting too much pressure on it. Hope it fits. Yeah, just barely. I guess I don't want to go bigger than 12mm. Or longer than 12mm. And right now there's this really slight edge on both sides of the half round. And I'm pretty comfortable with that because it tells me that I actually have the half round band tool path centered on the ring. When I go to the cutoff position, I actually trim both ends so I have an exact length. I guess this is the second pass and half round. This copper machine's really nice. It was trimming off the right edge. That's it for now, I think.